Nice. 2,400 feet. April 20th. Morel's here, Mount Hood National Forest. Hey YouTube, how's everyone doing? Yakfish Taco here. Another beautiful day here in Mount Hood National Forest. Another mushroom hunting video. So today's April 20th, a little early for Morel. This is the early season. We're at 2,200 feet east of Mount Hood National Forest. And yeah, we're finding morels here now. Let's go find more. There's one right here and one tiny one down there. Oh yeah. Ooh. One more. Yep. 哇，诶，这里还有一个，哈哈，这有两个。Woo. Can you see it? Is it right there? Oh, see? Just right on the side of the road. Look at that. A whole cluster, but these are young. These are young, but they're coming out. Very fresh and big. It's at prime. It's just at prime time. You can see 1, 2, and 3. Oh, 4. Wow. Just right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's all, I find all this just out here. Just right here. I'm finding all this just in this area. So I got 5 just right here, this spot. There's one hiding in there that I wasn't paying attention to. Another 2 right here. Pretty nice. Pretty big ones. Wow. There's 5 here. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another cluster right here. This is the new environment. A lot more trees. So you got one big one. And you got a cluster down here. And then there's another big one right there. Look at that. Wow. And then this one. That is the big daddy. Look at that. That's a big daddy. Wow. Oh my goodness. All right, so we worked from 2,200 feet to right now about almost 2,400 feet. A few hours, I got quite a few, so it's pretty good. Right now, season's still early, just late April. This is gonna last all the way till like say mid-June, so to all the way up to 4,500 feet. So there's still plenty of time to come out. Just be aware of the season as it progresses. The elevation goes up. So yeah, come out here. There's a lot of mushrooms waiting for you guys. See you guys next time. Bye bye. The size of my hand. Wow. And that's another big one. Jesus. Good haul. Good job, everybody. Nice.